Hello. I have no idea how deep I'm gonna go, but we brought Rishku's best mate from the time he was a stray. Rishi, я маму Ришку отшел. Johnny, go away. Tu say? Где Ришку, мам? Johnny, no. Ришку, а мам? Давай, давай, Ришку, иди к маме. Не, мама такая. И что? И что? А? Tu si tu pe mame, Rijenci, tu cu mamci, Rishka. Rije, tu cu mame. Rishka is scared now. Rije, Rijenci. Dus do mamu si spôs. Três mamu comes de eu. It's strange. We used to be all the time together. Wish mama kako se de. Bravo, baby. Режине, маму така? Що це? Ричко, лету. Хайди, ва. Okay, you're walking there and I'll try to come. Rishko, I was hoping he could be happy. Johnny, go away. Go, Johnny, Douglas. Come on, Rishko, come on. Come on then. Come on. Come on, Momchi. Come. Come on. Bravo, baby. Bravo, Mom. I will try to put the light anyway. Mommy, Mishko. This is Toshko, Mommy. He's your best friend. I don't know why. Ne, Mommy, Chitika. Do see to Mom. Toshko was happy to see him.